Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is John Reyes. I'm the CEO and co-founder of EcomVids, and we are a video production agency, production company, whatever you want to call us. And we produce e-commerce video ads for Amazon sellers, Shopify, dropshippers, brands, you name it. We do it all. We've made over 5,000 videos since 2017. And in this video, I'm actually doing it for a friend, Scott. So what's up, Scott? He asked me to do a comparison video to kind of break down an Amazon video for you guys, so you guys get some value out of what makes a great Amazon video convert versus one that doesn't. And you'll learn the format that we use to create really awesome videos, and hopefully you guys can implement those yourself. So this is a special client, special case study that I took upon myself. I reached out to a friend of mine who is an Amazon seller, and he was running a Amazon brand sponsored video, and I saw his ad, and I was really, really unimpressed with it. And I'll play it for you on the left side of the screen right now. And so what I did was I watched the video, and I was like, hey, man, your video just sucks. I'm sorry, but we can make it a lot better. And so he's like, all right, cool, let's do it. So we went back to the drawing board. We re-edited the video based off our principles, and he was able to increase his ROAS 72% and drop down his ACOS as well. So the video outperformed his previous video, and I'll show you exactly what his old video looked like and his new video that we did for him. So let's watch this one all the way throughout, and I'll kind of comment on it as it plays. So here's his intro, his scroll stopper. You've got the woman kind of demoing the product. You've got some music in the background, a little bit of ethereal EM. Two models posing. Cool. Nice little build up with the music. These are good shots in terms of production. Very clean, very well exposed, great looking models. And so this was his ad that he was running. And then, you've got the brand and the product. Now, if we can just go back for a second, now this video was well done in the sense that it was shot well, it was casted well, it was lit well, all these production things that, you check off. Okay, great, it looks good. But the question is, does it convert? Does it sell? Does it grab your attention? And at the end of this, do I want to buy the video? Because that's our only goal at EcomVids, is to try to get people to watch that video and instantly buy our product. Because if we've done our job within our video, then the viewer is going to feel like, yeah, this is exactly for me. Now, the thing that I noticed from the very beginning is that his scroll stopper, which is what we call the scroll stoppers, the first 3 to 5 seconds, is just pretty weak. So, I mean, you have the stomach coming out, which is good, but it doesn't say anything about the product itself, okay? It doesn't really, okay, shapewear is great, but why do I need it? And then it goes to a cut of the girl kind of posing with it. Okay, I can put a shirt on over it, but okay, that's good. I guess I look happy. Going back to putting it back over, okay. But I don't know any of the features that are going on here, right? Okay, I can wear it with my friends, apparently. Great, cool, awesome. Going through, it's just a bunch of lifestyle shots, which look cool, but it doesn't sell anything. It doesn't really convey anything. Especially if you have a lot of other competitors on, who are selling this product. What's going to really distinguish yours out of anyone else's? This video doesn't say any of that. And so on the right is our take on the video, and I'm going to fast forward like that. So we'll play this one right now. All right, what'd you guys think? That was instantly better, right? That was day and night. First off, if you notice that we included branding on the video. Why is branding important? Well, if your video is playing among all of the other listings, you want to make sure your brand is represented front and center. And when they click through, that they know that the brand that they're clicking on is your brand. The next thing is the scroll stopper that we included in the first 2 seconds. Boom, right front and center. You've got the product on your right. You've got the model in the middle. You've got captions that say picture perfect bumps. You know exactly what this product does in literally 2 seconds, right? And as you keep going, you have these visual elements that are also capturing your attention. You've got the circles in the background, the contrasting branded colors as well. We make sure all of our videos are branded so that it stays consistent, congruent with your messaging. And then we have some just good demo shots, right? But what it's doing is it's explaining the actual demo. Now choose your size, okay? Because that's probably, you know, a common question for this target demographic is they want to be able to choose their size. It's not all pregnant women, you know, are equal. And so moving forward, we have, okay, great. I can put the caption say super comfortable. Now this is a very, very important feature that we want to highlight and communicate. And the captions plus the still image really do that and convey it, because in the customer's mind, they're thinking these things, but they don't realize it. And so when we do video, we want to make sure that we're kind of speaking for them. We're demonstrating for the user. We're illustrating things for the user so they don't have to think about it. And so when these things, when these primary benefits and features come up, like super comfortable, they're already in their mind, oh, great. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted a super comfortable product. Oh, here's another one, room to grow and improve, right? A huge added benefit there, because this is an objection, right? We want to make sure when we're selling to people is we're answering all these objections to make sure that the product is the right fit for them. And so we're just going through the video and really highlighting those key benefits and features. And here's another added bonus, comes with a mesh laundry bag. You know, this is something that the other video didn't include, and the person would have completely looked over that. And so if you're offering a bonus in your product, if you're offering a bundle of some sort, make that front and center, because that's a huge added value. All right. So lastly, what we did is we incorporated the logo branding and a visual cue at the end. So this really ties the whole video together and the whole experience together. So when they're done, they can click onto your listing and recognize, okay, here's the brand name. The listing is congruent with that. Okay, I'm in the right place. All right, guys. So you went over and you saw the before and after. We walked through the whole thing. If you guys are looking for sponsored brand videos, if you're looking for EBC or A+ content video-wise, you know, feel free to hit us up. Go to EcomVids.com or schedule a call. We do any niche, we do any scale, and we have a solid team who's responsible for all of this. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys found this valuable, and hope to hear from you soon. All right, take care, guys.